Darling, you send me, I know you.
Unboxing! I got a package today, delivered. I have a special guest, it's Louisa. Louisa, come, let's open this one.
Open that, maar ik moet...
English, you have to speak English because they don't understand Belgian.
Oh,
Oh.
oh.
Oh. Oh. Here! How stupid can I get? Okay, yeah, thank you. There it is. Actually, you can just rip it off like that. I'm outside. Look at the weather. Ooh, look at that. Blue sky. I think it's about, I don't know how warm is it today. A box? Inside a box. Okay. This is how it looks like. I ordered a mini tripod. Saw this in the internet and I read the reviews and it was all good reviews. And ooh, it's tiny. It just fits in my hand. I could be like, hey guys. Here this is.
This one is for the camera and deze you can show is the vlog. And then can you show is the setting voor de camera.
Yeah.
En we gaan die nu nou opzetten. Daar ga ik springen de trampoline met jullie.
Yeah, okay. So guys, this is the camera that I have been using. This is the Sony X5100, if I'm not mistaken. We have to try
Ik
this
weet
one.
een challenge. The challenge.
She badly wants to do a challenge with me, but I'm thinking which challenge?
The hair challenge.
The hair challenge. What are you going to do with my hair?
Ik wil de hair mooi maken.
See? Woo! It's the moment of truth, guys. And what's the purpose of this? I want to just cover this one. Oh! 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 I would be like this and filming myself. And it's very, very weird. I'm not very confident about this yet, but I will try it.
Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, I know you do. Send me.
We are going to the playground. Louisa is biking and I'm walking really with my slippers on. I mean, the weather is nice today and the playground is actually not that far from where we live. It's like a minute walk or even less if you walk very fast. So here it is, voila!
Darling, you. Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, I know you do. 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 Send me, darling, you. Send me.
Louisa is already trying how the tripod works and I think she loves it.
Darling, you.
strawberry kasi sa inyo.
Send me, send me, send me, darling. Send me, I know. Send me, darling. Send me, I know. Send me, honest to do. Send me, honest to do. Send me, honest to. Send me, I know. Send me, darling. Send me, darling. Send me,
Oppa,
I know.
Gosh, guys, you have to see this precious thing.
I know.
Oh, look, these cute little birds. Oh my goodness. They're 11 birds.
doe eens die kijken.
Oh, are you waiting for mommy? Are you waiting for your mommy to come home and bring food? And their mom just goes there.
Kijk, doe eens die.
Yeah, that's the bird food, right,
Kijk,
kids?
doe eens die, kijk.
Yeah. Louisa, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see me doing this. And yeah, okay, bye.